Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to use this new tool so that you can write and draw and type onto the paper. So you just finished reading Pictures from My Vacation, and now you're going to write about 4 things that you did over break. And those things can be anything. It could be riding your bike with your friends, watching a movie with your parents, anything. It doesn't have to be a big vacation, but if you went on a big vacation, you can do that as well. And don't forget to capitalize your sentences, use punctuation, add detail, and when you're done, click submit. So, to do this, if I wanted to do my first picture, I'm going to draw it myself. So I'm going to get the drawing tool, and I am going to start with drawing a TV. Now, we all have to realize these are not going to be beautiful works of art because we are drawing on computers using a mouse, and that's okay. This is really just to practice using these tools so that as we use them for different things throughout the school year, we'll know how to use them, and for me to get to know a little bit about what you did over the summer. So you can also use little shapes if you want to. That might help you draw so that everything looks a little more neat. Let's see. I want to make it thicker so I can color in faster. Can do that. You guys can just have fun with these tools and play around with them. But I just wanted to show you how to use it real quick. Alright, so I've drawn my TV because, to be honest, over the break with COVID, I watched a lot of TV. So the next thing that I'm going to do is click on the little text box, and I'm going to click down here where the lines are, and I'm going to have 3 sentences. So I'm going to click the text box probably 3 separate times to do those sentences, but to add detail, make sure that I'm capitalizing and punctuating. So the first thing I'm going to say is, over summer break, I watched a lot of TV. So I'm not just going to say that I watched TV, I'm going to add some details. So now I could say, my favorite show that I watched was The Floor is Lava. And if you go over, that's okay. You can also play with it though if you want to make your font a little bit smaller so that it fits in there really well. And then I could add a 3rd sentence. So you need to do 3 sentences for each picture that you choose. I could add something funny if something funny happened while I was watching TV, or like if I went on a bike ride and I fell, then I could add that kind of detail. But once you finish doing all your pictures and writing out all your sentences, you're going to click this blue submit button and click submit, and that will send it to me so that I can grade your assignment. Alright, have fun with this, draw some cool pictures, and I can't wait to see what you did over the summer.